everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, as you can probably tell by all this, it's going to be a plan with me. From the dollar spot section, I got mostly all of this from the dollar spot section. I've been really into planning and making my planner my own, so I just wanted to show you guys how I organize my planner and all that. I know it's something completely different on my channel, but I just wanted to show you. So this is the planner that I have. It says, I don't think you can see it, it says make today lovely. It's just like nice pale pink. It has some gold detailing, and then when you open it up, it is like this cute pink and navy and sort of gold cheetah print. I have this little thing right here. It came with one of the packs that I bought. It says choose your own adventure. It's just like a little fun little thing, and this is the like cover page. It was this, and obviously that does not match that, so obviously you gotta flip it over and look at that, it matches. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this in here, but it's just like this little thing for notes and all that. It's just lovely ideas, and then again it says lovely ideas. I might take this out. You know what? Let's take it out. It's going to look much neater without it here. I just wish this wasn't here, but you know, whatever. So, and then it's blank. So I made up this little thing that I am going to do for my personalized planner. I do have a planner that I got from Target that I absolutely love, but when I found all this like DIY stuff for a planner, I was like, I have to do it. I have to create my own. So the first section is going to be like notes. So in a pack that I got, you get note paper, which just says my notes, and it says the date on here. So I am just going to put a little stack of those in here. And here are the other dividers that it came with. This, you had to buy everything separate, which I didn't mind because you got to make it your own. So the next little flap thing is going to be this. It has like a gold, you can't really tell, it just has a gold embossed like little flower thing. So that is going to be next. And then you also got little pockets. I got 2 packs, so I have more than the one that you can actually buy. Now I want to pick a little pocket, and I might do this one because it matches the blue on here, and we're just gonna put that in there, and we're going to do this as February. It is time to decorate February. I already did this and I did not like it. I will show you what I did. This was my February layout. I did not like it at all, but I did like the gold washi tape to go with the gold inside of the planner. So we are going to do that, and then we're just going to put stickers different places, and then we will write down what I need to do in the month of February. So now these stickers are on. I put on birthday on the 4th because it was my birthday. I know it already passed, but whatever. The 16th, I have a coffee date, so I put down coffee. I have a little thing here because I have a little event to go to, and then on the 18th I have another event to go to. And then the 28th, I usually upload, but I'm going to be not working that day, so I put down no work. Now I'm going to be doing my quote-unquote YouTube schedule. On Mondays, I usually film, so I'm trying to think what color. I got these Sharpie pens from Target, and they do not bleed through. As you can tell down here, I wrote down the numbers in the black and they don't bleed through, so that is good. So I think I'm going to be doing blue for filming days on Mondays. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to circle the number so it looks sort of like that. And then on Tuesdays, now you're gonna know behind the scenes. On Tuesdays, I usually edit. So I think I'm gonna do edit in pink. And then on Wednesdays, I usually upload. So I'm gonna do that in green. I usually film 2 videos on Mondays. So on Thursdays, I usually edit. So that is going to be pink. And then on Fridays, I usually upload the second video, so that's going to be in green. So there we go. And now I'm going to write a little thing on the side, what the colors mean. So it says film, edit, upload. That'll be my little key. And the side says notes, so I can put anything on this side. So now I'm going to fill in what I had before. I am going to go back into certain other, like the week before, and write down like why I have this here, like for my birthday. So and now in pencil, I'm going to write down what the filming schedule is. If I have something planned but I don't know it's for sure, I just write it in pencil. So that is basically what I have planned for February. If you liked planning with me and you want to see other plan with me videos or weekly plan with me videos, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you would like to see anything else related to do with planning and organization and all that, because I am a sucker for planning and journals and everything like that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.